Impact is the bridge between data and decision making. So quantify it to prove your value. Hi everyone, welcome back. We are at the final step, step 8, follow up and document the impact. This step is where all your hard work pays off because it's not just about the analysis, it's about showing how your insights led to real measurable results. Trust me, this is the step you don't want to skip. So, why should you spend time documenting the impact? Let me break it down with a couple of examples. Imagine you analyzed attrition data and discovered that employees in a specific department were leaving due to a lack of career development opportunities. Based on your insights, the company introduced a mentoring program, and within a year, attrition in that department dropped by 20%. Or consider this example. Your analysis revealed that high performers were likely to leave within 6 months of not receiving pay adjustment. HR acted on this by introducing a proactive retention bonus program, and as a result, the top talent retention improved by 15% in the first year. These measurable outcomes are so powerful. They don't just validate your work, they demonstrate how analytics drives meaningful change. And documenting these successes isn't just helpful now, it's a game changer for your career. It builds a strong portfolio of impactful projects you can share with your team, managers, and even future employers. So, how do you do this effectively? Set up follow up meetings. Proactively schedule check ins to see how the actions driven by your analysis are impacting the metrics. Second, measure and document the impact. Ask yourself, did the actions improve key metrics? Wherever possible, quantify results like cost savings, operational efficiencies, or retention improvements. Third, highlight success stories. When your analysis delivers real value, document it and share it. These case studies not only validate your work but also inspire others to embrace data driven decisions. One pro tip I would like to give you is measuring impact can take time, sometimes 6 to 12 months. So keep tracking multiple projects over time. The more evidence you gather, the stronger your case for the value of analytics. Remember, your work doesn't stop at delivering insight. It's about creating a lasting impact that shapes decisions and strategy. Let's make sure your analysis drives real change. So that's it. Our final step. I know it might feel like a lot to take in, and with so many steps to work through. But here's the thing, building strengths in each of these areas doesn't happen overnight. It's a process, and every project you take on will help you refine these skills. Be kind to yourself and trust that with time and patience, you will piece everything together. Each project is a learning experience that brings you closer to mastering the art of storytelling with data. I hope you have enjoyed this series and found it valuable. Thank you so much for your time and attention. It means a lot to me. Wishing you the very best in your storytelling journey. Keep learning, keep growing, and go create some amazing stories with your data. Thanks for watching.